Good morning, guys. Today I am taking my Honda Civic Type R to the Honda dealership to get this Alcantara steering wheel installed. So let's get on the way and get there and be one of the first people so we can get this going. Because this is my day off and I'd rather not be at the dealership all day long. There's the wireless charger. Works pretty decently. All right, let's get the car warmed up and we'll head out. All right, on the way to the Honda dealership to get this wheel installed. I thought about doing it myself, but I don't have all the tools and I really would want this just to be done correctly and have the wheel be perfectly straight. So for me, it's not that big a deal to spend a little bit of extra money and get it done correctly. So, well guys, I'm just really loving this car. I've had two FK8s. I've only had this for a few months and this just drives so much better in every single way. So I'm very, very happy I got this purchase. I really hope they don't make a refreshed model that's just really super amazing, because I know I'm gonna want it. But I kind of told myself, no more buying cars. I've been buying too many. So we've got about a 15-minute drive and then we will be up there. Well, here in Kansas City today, it's already like 81 degrees. It's been so freaking hot. Got a little fog this morning, but that's all right. I'm on vacation this week, so no work. It's very, very nice having some time off work. I got a chance to wash the car yesterday, so it's looking so much better. I don't think I had washed it in about 2 weeks, and it always brings a smile to my face when I wash it and remind myself just how good the car looks when it's dry and all clean. All right, I'm hoping I don't hit the train tracks. Or any water puddles. We want to keep the car clean. And then I've also got one of these from Honda that I put up when I'm at the dealership that just basically says, hey, please don't wash my car. So yeah, you can see we're pretty close. Got about 4186 as far as the miles, so I've been averaging about 700 miles a month, which is my normal average, so which I feel like I've been driving the car more than I should, but man, I love driving this for any excuse I can, and I really want to go drive it a little bit more at night because these lights are super cool, I think. But and it looks like the phone charger is 100%. Got a little turn coming up. Woohoo! There's the dealership. We're about to pull up. Woohoo! I don't know if these people are out doing their Sunday drive. But we are here, woohoo! Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. All right, looks like we're one of the first people here. Kill the car. All right, here we are at the service center at Honda of Olathe. I think the car's looking extra fresh today since I washed it yesterday. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's gonna be a hot one today, but nice and cool out right now. It's only like 80, 83, 84 degrees, so not too shabby. And then we got the steering wheel right in the back, so. Then we're gonna put up one of these, no wash, because they're not gonna wash my car. No scratch, no scratch. All right, Honda is open. Let's get inside. Looking pretty good. To the United States. Pretty cool. Look at that interior. It's pretty nifty. Needs a wash though, in the detail. Pretty cool. All right, well, I guess they're gonna have my car for a few hours, so. Okay, well, I'm getting a ride back to my house because they're gonna have my car for a few hours because there's a special guy that they use to do accessories. So I am currently in this brand new Honda Odyssey. I think it's like a 2023, but it's pretty nice. It has a really nice new car smell. And I'm missing a seat. But, all right, well, I'll keep you guys updated here in a little bit when I get the car back. All right, peace out. All right, my ride is here, getting ready to go back to Honda Valleja. Here we go. All right, here's the receipt. I've got the car and it is installed, so let us check this thing out, okay? Brand new steering wheel. I don't know where that came from. I don't swear that was there before. Oh man, that's nice. Oh baby. Oh, can't wait to drive this. I got to reset the seats and everything, so some light since we're out of that little garage. And man, it looks really nice. I love how it's all black, whereas my FK before had some red right here, and I just love how it looks a lot cleaner if you ask me. So, all right, on the way home. Appreciate you guys are watching and enjoying this content, I hope. So. Well, I think I love this steering wheel. This thing feels fantastic. Got a beautiful day today. A little hot, but that's what summer is. It's gonna be warm. Got the window down. Here's what it looks like with a little bit of more light on it. But yeah, this thing's awesome. Should be pretty easy to keep clean, just like my last one.